Today, we are diving deep into the heart of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Yes, you heard it right. We got an exclusive disassembly video for you, courtesy of WekiHome. So buckle up and let's uncover the engineering marvels hidden within this sleek device. First things first, as for almost any phone these days, the way in is through the rear, with the back plate coming off first, following the application of some heat to make the adhesive less adhesive. Huawei has traditionally applied more adhesive than other brands, apparently, and that's still the case here. But once inside, there it is, the star of the show, the retractable main camera mechanism. Take a look at this beauty. The retracting mechanism, complete with its stepper motor, is a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation. And that noise-suppressing foam? It's the cherry on top, ensuring smooth operation every time you activate the camera. Now here's where things get interesting. Huawei has achieved the impossible, integrating a retractable camera while maintaining IP68 dust and water resistance. How, you ask? Well, the telescopic lens cover is meticulously sealed, ensuring durability without compromising on design. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on the sensor shift optical image stabilization, OIS, and the ingenious heat dissipation system. With heat dissipation materials directly connected to the vapor chamber, Huawei ensures optimal performance even during intensive usage. Now let's talk about performance. Equipped with a 1-inch type sensor and sensor shift OIS, the Pura 70 Ultra delivers stunning image quality and stability even in low light conditions. Plus, with its thinner profile and reduced rattling, it's a cut above the competition. Powering the Pura 70 Ultra is Huawei's Kirin chipset, packing a punch comparable to the industry's heavyweights. The screen made by BOE and covered with Kunlun glass, the Pura 70 Ultra delivers vivid colors and sharp details, whether you're watching movies or browsing the web. Plus, with manual brightness reaching up to 1,242 nits, it's perfect for outdoor use. But it's not just about looks. The copper metal plate on the back ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping your device cool under pressure. So, what's the verdict? While the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra may not be the absolute top performer in its class, it's certainly a step up from its predecessors. With its innovative design, impressive camera capabilities, and solid performance, Huawei continues to raise the bar with each new release. So, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the inner workings of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. From its groundbreaking retractable camera to its powerhouse performance, this device is a testament to Huawei's dedication to innovation. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. As always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.